everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to make and colour an origami cat. Also, talking about animals, you should check out our dog origami, which is really simple, just like the cat, but it's just one of those cute little things you can do when you're bored, which looks like this. So that should be popping up, and you should check that out afterwards after the video. So let's get on with this. So what you're going to do is you're going to need a origami piece of paper, but for this size you're going to need a mini sheet of origami because it's a mini cat. However, if you wanted to make a big size, of an origami, then you need the normal size origami paper. And if you want to know how big the normal size is, this is the big size. So this is just a dog, but you just pretend that's a cat. So that's the size difference. So you need to choose which size you want. Do you want the mini size or the normal size? So you can decide on that. Okay, let's start with our origami. So we're going to do this, and we're going to start with our mini sheet. You're going to fold it in half and fold in half again. Okay. Also, there will be a video on how to make a mini piece of origami on our channel. So you should go ahead there and press the notification bell and click subscribe so you get the exact time and post when we post it. So you should do that. And then when we do the folding in half, we fold it again to make a triangle. Okay. Right as well, same time. Triangle. Then what you do is you unfold and you take the first layer, because it's like 2 layers, you take the first layer and you fold it all the way down to the bottom, okay? Like that. So only the first layer. And then you unfold it. Okay? And then you take that line we just made. But this time you're going to take both layers and fold to the line. Just like that. So see, it's not in the bottom, but the line we've made just then, we're going to fold it there, okay? And then you take these sides up, one first, and when it gets to the bottom, you stop. And then once you've done that, you got to do the other side, which is this. And then after that, you need to get the bottom part, you push it a little bit, tiny bit up, like this. Fold it, turn it over, and there you have your little cat. So now we're going to move on to the colouring section. Now I am going to be using normal colouring pencils to start colouring. You can use whatever you like felt tips and crayons, but today I am going to be using colouring pencils.